Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your grocery shopping with Instacart, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser or launch the Instacart app on your device. If you don't have an account, sign up for one using your email address. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. Begin by entering your zip code to find the stores available in your area. Browse through the different grocery stores listed. Select your preferred store to view their available products. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the app or website. Use the search bar to quickly find specific items you need. Add items to your cart by clicking on them. Adjust quantities as needed before adding to your cart. Consider browsing sections like sales, deals, or promotions for savings. Use filters to narrow down options, like organic or gluten-free selections. Review your cart to ensure you have everything you need. Check for any available coupons or promo codes to maximize savings. Select your delivery or pickup options based on your preference. Choose a convenient time slot for your groceries to arrive. Enter your payment information securely to complete your order. Confirm your order details before finalizing the purchase. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your order. Communicate any substitutions or special instructions through the app. Tip your shopper if satisfied with their service after delivery. Review your shopping experience to help improve future orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.